Pushing through. Discover the impact of 200 push-ups daily for 30 days on 3 individuals. In a world filled with fitness challenges, one exercise stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness: the push-up. But what happens when you take this basic exercise and amplify it? We followed the journey of 3 individuals as they embarked on a 30-day challenge to do 200 push-ups daily. Let's discover the impact. Each day began with determination as our participants committed to completing 200 push-ups, rain or shine. What were some of the challenges you faced during the challenge? The first week was tough. My muscles were screaming, but I pushed through. Finding time between work and other commitments was a struggle, but I made it a priority. There were days when I just wanted to give up, but I reminded myself of the goal and kept going. So, after 30 days of 200 push-ups daily, what are your thoughts? I feel stronger and more confident than ever. My arms are toned, and I have more energy throughout the day. I've noticed a significant improvement in my posture and endurance. Plus, it's a great stress reliever after a long day at work. Physically, I feel more capable, but the mental benefits were unexpected. I feel more disciplined and focused in all areas of my life. Incredible transformations, indeed. What advice would you give to someone considering a similar challenge? Start small and build up gradually. Consistency is key. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to modify the challenge to suit your fitness level. Believe in yourself and trust the process. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Pushing through challenges can lead to incredible transformations. What will you achieve when you push yourself to the limit?